Welcome to Akohub. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to enable Klaviyo integration in Echo marketing. Klaviyo is a marketing automation platform used primarily for email marketing and SMS marketing. It allows you to turn customer data into faster growth and grow your customer base. Keep your customers in loop about their progress by sending them a welcome email marketing, SMS marketing, mobile push, and reviews. To get started, go to klaviyo.com and create an account. Then, navigate to Settings and select API Keys. Next, you can click Create Private API Keys and type a name. Select Grant Applications Full Access for every API scope. Once you're done, click Create. Now, be sure to copy your private key. To connect Akohub with Klaviyo, open the Akohub app and navigate to Loyalty Programs. Now, you can scroll down to Settings and choose Integrations. Select Klaviyo. To complete the integration process, you can paste the Klaviyo API key that you created before. If you already have existing customer data, you can start synchronizing the data by toggling on the Start Syncing button. And that's it, you're done. By integrating Klaviyo, you get to connect with customers seamlessly through email, SMS, or mobile push. This way, you can grow your business faster. Try Echo Marketing today and stay tuned for more videos.